Good morning, everybody. Today is going to be a great day. We are back at the bus. We are ready to put on more sheet metal, more panels today. We're doing it.
Yes, we're doing it today.
My kids and I were just jamming on the way over here to the new A Perfect Circle CD. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Go check it out.
Time to work on that bus. Let's do this.
You ready, Avery? So I show up to the bus today, and Tommy is back here cleaning everything. What a devoted, awesome friend. What's up, Tommy?
What up?
You ready for a good day?
Actually, you already got the tarp pulled back. I've got that sheet metal cut and ready to hang. And
You
straps.
cut it?
Yeah. Dude, 11 o'clock. He said 8.
I'm telling you right now, if you have kids and you're going through what we're going through right now and raising your roof and doing all this stuff, just working on your bus with kids, oh my goodness, it can be very difficult when you do not have much help with that. So yeah, to all you that are doing this with children, I feel you. Obviously, Tommy already cut this piece already this morning, and it is going right over there today. And I think we're gonna put the tripod on top of the shed today to get you the greatest view ever. We've spotted a Nate dog. Look who it is, everybody. Nate Dizzle in the house. We're kind of in a tight area today because we gotta go between the shed up there, and then we have to throw our straps over the top, which Tommy has already done like an awesome dude. And then if you see on the other side there, that's his house. That's his house over there. So it's gonna be pretty tight. We'll see how it happens. Here we go, let's do it.
Well, we work diligently. Nate dog. Hard at it.
Look at that, guys. I hope you can see it. Look at Tommy. Look at that guy. I think you saw it already before this, but the panel is up. It took us like 2.5 hours for this one. We're just gonna keep trying to get better and better at speed. Holy Tommy! Anyways, we're gonna keep going. Hope you're learning something. So right now, Tommy is just prying out the drip cap up there because it hasn't been out far enough for us to push the sheet metal all the way up inside of there. And we forgot to do it on the last one, and it ended up being a big pain in the butt to get it up in there. So we're just prying them out now so there's room for sheet metal to go up into the top right underneath that drip cap. But yeah, anyways, it's definitely better to have it pulled out because you can always use a bolt and a nut after you drill one of the holes out for a rivet. You can use a bolt and a nut and pull it back together. And then once one spot's all the way pulled back together, you can just rivet one after another. It will pull it in and pull it in and pull it in. And it worked out really well down the line over here. Highly recommend that. If you even have a drip cap like this, our bus is a really specific, unique one. I doubt your bus is like that, but yeah.
You're hammering and you're like, loud noises!
Yeah.
Yeah.
That dude's cool.
My name is Isaac. I'm going to work on the bus. I'm so happy it's almost done. Yeah. Look, did you see? We raised the roof already.
So I was holding the metal on the outside of the bus, and it was time lapsing, so you didn't get to see it in real time, but Tommy and I were confused where each other were at, and Tommy drilled through and it went straight through my hand here. Not through it. It went into my hand though. So there's a hole in there and it was bleeding a lot. I don't know, just be careful, I guess. I'm almost happy that it was time lapse because I reacted like a crazy person. Be careful. I can still move it for now, but I have a feeling later it's gonna hurt.